Green energy is easy to come by when the wind is blowing. The turbines turn, and waves jiggle and generate. But what happens when the blades stand still? Where the Northern Ireland coast faces Scotland, one company has a plan to build a kind of offshore aerosol by compressing air under the seabed. The idea is to then release it under pressure at times of energy shortage to drive turbines above ground. Because no person will ever be able to enter the proposed cavern, we have driven deep underground to find the nearest possible comparison. So you plunge down. How deep are you going to go with this?
Well, we'll take a core around 1.5 kilometres below the ground, and then we will start the solution mining process. That will give us an egg-shaped, sort of fire extinguisher shaped cavern.
The salt will be blown out of the caverns in huge plumes. Wind turbines will use excess energy on windy days to force air into the cavity. Then, on calm days, the compressed air will be released and mixed with gas to fire turbines and give continuity of supply. Less gas will be required, but it's the impact the ejected salt solution will have on the sea that is causing concern. Gillectric says any damage caused will be reversible.
The area in which we will be debrining is quite small. It's a couple of football pitches in length. The fish will swim away. Anything that can crawl or walk will also decide to move out. And when we have completed our construction phase, that area that has been abandoned by all of the creatures will very quickly repopulate.
On the surface, environmentalists and some locals think that means a dead zone.
We feel that much of this is in the lap of the gods. What is happening here is that we have the potential for an industrial wasteland. Clean energy, it can be a catchphrase, it can be a mantra, but at the end of the day it has to lend itself towards the word clean.
All over Northern Ireland, people are increasingly keen on renewables, harnessing sun, wind and even the tide. The proposed cavern project would bring jobs, security of supply and reduce the country's carbon footprint. But like all pioneering projects, it will also bring the unknown. Andy Martin, BBC News, Island Magee.